Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend. I'm going to be talking about 5 cool things you didn't know about your PS4. Now this is mainly for those PS4 people who do not own a console yet, but are going to own it very soon. And also this is for the people who already own one. You probably don't know about these facts or these features that you do have. So I hope you guys do listen in throughout the entire video. I have plenty of good content to show you guys, so if you guys do like it, leave a subscription down below. Click the notification bar so you guys will be notified when I do upload. YouTube has been screwing us all over, so if you guys could do that, that would help me so much. As well as I do have a Discord for smaller YouTubers. I have tons of people in here, not just little kids, but I have tons of teenagers in here. We're really chill, all cool. So if you guys want to join that Discord server, click the link in there. We have around 100 something members, so if you guys want to be a part of that cool stuff, be sure to hit that Discord server. Also, if I did miss any key features of PS4, be sure to leave them down in the comments. I should add them to a video or a new part 2 that I will be making. So if you guys want to contribute to my video, be sure to comment down below, add a new feature I didn't know about, and you might be even mentioned in my next video. Alright guys, that's it for these announcements. Hope you guys do enjoy. Be sure to leave a fat like down below. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I'll be talking about 5 cool tips and tricks that you guys did not know about your PS4. So let's get started on with number 1. You can buy previous gen games for cheap on the PlayStation Store. Now this does include PlayStation 2 and 3, which are very old and retro consoles. I do own both of them. They are somewhere in my attic, but I don't want to go up there because I'm scared of ghosts. So basically, with this feature, you're allowed to buy these games, and most of these games are under $9.99, and these are digital titles which you can keep with you forever. Some of these titles do include GTA San Andreas, Red Faction, GTA 3, and tons more. So be sure to check that out. It's a really cool feature PS4 has, and I really noticed that it is very significant in the community. Coming in at number 2, mirroring is allowed on all devices including mobile. Now I can't say the same for Xbox because they only allow mirroring on Windows 10, but as of right now, you are allowed to mirror everything you play onto your mobile device. You can use 2 of these apps, RPlay or the PlayStation app itself. PlayStation app itself does have its mirroring, but I very much prefer the application RPlay. This is really cool because you can connect to your phone and play your games. The only way you can connect it to your phone is if you have an Android and you have an external plug. That way you can plug in your remote to your phone. But other than that, you will have to use your fingers. It does get annoying, but it's a really cool feature that PS4 does have. Coming in at number 3, expandable storage on all PS4s. So you guys can place your own hard drive or SSD. You can replace that and take it out for a bigger one. You can increase the size too as much as you want. You guys can play around with it and cool stuff. It's very easy. They actually suggest that you do this to get more space and stuff. They're not restricting you or making it hard on you. There's literally a button in the back of the PS4 that allows you to open this hat. Very easily detachable and very cool to do. I have checked it myself. I have opened the plate. I was scared at first, but it was very simple to take out the hard drive, and you can replace it with a simple SSD, or you can replace it with a bigger hard drive. Alright, coming in at number 4. You can only play Spotify on PS4. That's a really key feature about PS4. Spotify has an agreement with Sony, which allows them to play Spotify while they're playing a game or while they're watching something, just because, you know, it's fun to do that stuff. Spotify is not allowed on other consoles. The only console that is allowed on is PS4, and that's a really cool, unique feature that PS4 does have. So if you guys are those music lovers, be sure to check out Spotify. Coming at number 5, Sony itself does get DLCs faster on PS4. It comes with exclusive content from Destiny and Call of Duty. So they're the first to get these maps and content, which is really cool. I used to play on Xbox One and I never noticed it until now. They do get it earlier. They get earlier access, as well as they do get some premium content on PS4 consoles only. That's a really cool thing, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If I did miss something or I did miss a key feature, be sure to tell me in the comments. Also, leave a like on this video if you did like it, so I can make some more PS4 content. And as always guys, peace, have a good night, have a good time. Thank you all for watching.